Hey, J-Bro's popping in here. Basically what we're gonna attempt to do here, we gotta get this stuff organized in the shop. So I got all these tarps sitting on a pallet. They need to get moved. The forks can't sit in the middle, or the auger can't sit in the middle of nowhere. These buckets can't sit in the middle of nowhere. I think what we're gonna attempt to do is put them in the back here, strategically placing. Jax is gonna work on getting that snowmobile fired up. We're gonna get that out of here and moved. Yeah, and that's pretty much what we're doing. So we'll get after it.
Just bring one of those mini oil cans down here. Oh, for dumping gas in? No, because we might probably need oil. You brought gas yet? Yeah, it's right over there. All right. I mean, she's relatively easy to pull.
I know. That's what's frustrating about it. Yeah, it's like every time every 10 volts, I'm going to pull this.
Is it one pull?
Oh, yeah, it's like 1 or 2 volts. So I got this little plastic or plastic. I'm going to get a little gas in here.
Yeah. I mean, this thing already has pressure start. Because you can tell, so the TNT took all the way over.
Good have one for a battery. Oh, battery spot.
Probably is.
It almost looks like this area here.
Let's look at this.
Well, is this not the electric starter? Or like, this is probably just disconnected.
Yeah, you can look at this.
I mean, this looks like some sort of starter. Because obviously the clutch is over there.
Yeah.
And this is obviously the rewind pulley.
Yeah, I was just going to get 10 volts for 6 now. So.
We got a full choke.
I'm trying to choke. Half choke.
Yeah.
Also to choke. Just like 2 more.
Oh my god. Well, that doesn't warm up your blood pressure, everyone does. Okay, well, you can put that. Like I said, you want to try to dump some gas in there.
Yeah.
We can put that roulette. I'm going to have an aneurysm. Come on, through these things like these boards moved over here. And then,
Probably just needs to fresh oil or some gas. Oh, yeah, she's. Whoa.
I need to get a smoke machine out there. Keep generating better engine. Yeah, I didn't really go with strategy in mind when I was throwing these boards in it before. I think it was a super cold day when
Probably was.
I was throwing that crap around. But yeah, I'll just deal with that later.
We just have to fresh oil. Oh, also, if you would just come check for smart companies.
Oh.
Because they could just be false plugs.
Yeah, I'll be ready.
It's actually very common.
I think I got the guy over here to throw garbage in. No? Got these screws and junk. Next time we can get, one of the days I noticed nothing's really freezing to the ground, because obviously the shop ground is dry.
I'm so glad we did this laser today, because it's actually warm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like I got other things I should be doing, but you know how that goes. Let's see some weather is gonna do.
Alright, I'm ready.
Yeah, let's have one this board over there. At least I have an inventory of 2x anyway.
It's probably just one good YouTube search. The 2000 Polaris, I don't know, 2000.
Yeah, I was the girl when I looked down on it. No, there's definitely a spark. Well, it's out, honestly, if I can just pull harder, which I can, that would go. But I think we should definitely look into electric.
Oh, for sure.
Because I have to admit, I don't know pulling on them things.
The Super Sport also doesn't register. I'm pretty sure the 80 probably would too, but no key. I think it was a good deal. It was like $800. Yeah, like literally starts.
1,200 miles? Yeah. I don't remember what year, but that was like 97, 98. Yeah, especially when we're, I'm sure the heavy bike room's happy to get rid of it. There's absolutely no so much. We didn't have to sit there and sort of thing. So I can see that snow there. I'll probably slide this board down to that plywood when we drive that phaser out so it doesn't get caught up in the concrete. I should have backfilled that with gravel, but oh well. Next time, next year. We just need to get this operation down here organized. There's just crap everywhere. Grandma wasn't disappointed when I said I was going to get this organized down here so she could move her golf cart in here. I said want her stuff in the way. Well, we're moving stuff, but once we get these attachments in a decent location, not scattered in the middle of nowhere, we'll be good.
Alright, I'm just gonna reserve the gas.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Every time I put gas in that thing, it's fired basically right up. I think one time I was doing it, I wasn't caught on the throttle fast enough and it died on me.
Other than that, probably just research.
I think I'm going to put this up here so I remember to haul this to the garage. Too. Wouldn't be half bad if I could move that out, and that's why it'd be easier to get around. Because we can spin that batting cage thing this way and get into there better, get around there better. All right. You want to dump a little gas into this thing? That way it's not so difficult.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, because this one's so weird. It's like a,
Yeah, let's do the safety crap. Yeah, don't be dropping that much. Just a little friggin', just a little splash of that.
yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, if you get a.
There.
Yeah, that's bad. Friggin' flames will be coming out of the dang thing.
Hopefully it just doesn't blow up. Yeah,
No, just keep it in there so we might need to drop it again.
yeah.
Because I only
I really gotta get idea. Don't pour gas on the tank.
Oh, yeah,
It's
that's
not
not
good.
good. I'll see a man plate, let you crank. You want me to pull on it when we're come to and then, because it shouldn't even need choke at all. But that operation,
Here.
you get a crank license.
They're also, you can't touch it.
Yeah. So we start over there. Hang on.
Since so you can have it anyway. Check it out. That's what's up. Well, apparently your hand tightening.
Fuck yeah.
Apparently your hand tightening was enough.
That's what it says. Kind of be throttle ready, I guess. Okay. Go on.
If you don't have the power to
That's the heater.
Oh, yeah.
That's off.
That's just electric safety.
Can I throttle it?
Okay. Report.
That thing is just the biggest pain in the ass to start. It's ridiculous.
What if you switch positions? It should just need like a sliver.
Oh god. Like I said, I've only had it one other time where Or I have to drop gas in there.
Alright, I'm pulling your stuff.
God dang, that thing's just annoying. Because it runs so good, but it just starts so awful. At least I seem to have these wood blocks at every attachment now.
That's good.
Okay. I am waiting. That gas is right there. Too bad the skid, well I know the skid is picked up, just set it on this pallet, then between the skid weight, but someone go weight and pallet weight, I don't think it's gonna do it. I'm gonna get this stupid thing. Yeah, it's so freaking heavy.
It's funny, because both of the shoulders, yeah, one hand. Like it's absolutely nothing.
Is there a critter back there?
Nope, not.
I don't know where the heck we get into. Let's take a peek.
Yeah, so I should check it. Go back there. What?
Well, that's it from J-Bros. I think the phaser has ultimately got the best of us, but shop's cleared. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J-Bros out.